So this is application called digital retail, and what it will do, it will scan an image target and display some sort of buttons that will navigate to other things. So right now it's asking for permissions. I will allow that, and it's a very good marketing approach for regarding products. So as you can see, this is our a box of milk, and here we have some buttons. If we click on compare, it will compare products with some other products, and those products will be displayed in 3D on the sidebar. Similarly, with the sort of recommendations, it will display the products that will be recommended with this product as well. And if you after that you need to buy something, it will give something sort of a message, and will keep the user towards the shopping mart or something else. So there's another button called offer. If you click on offers, and it will display some offers that are running on this product, and on this milk product we are having a 50% off discount, and there is also a display of 3D models as well. So this 3D models, you can zoom in, zoom out, make its size bigger or smaller. As you can see, we can see it from the bottom as well, and as we move towards its upper side, we are able to see the other side as well. Similarly from the left side and from the right side. So it's a very beautiful display of the product with respect to some its comparison and recommendations with other products as well. A very nice concept, and a very new things regarding augmented reality to display, like to compare one product with another product without asking to someone or something like that. You just need to simply scan with the application a simple product, and it will automatically display some sort of things like the related to that product. I hope you like the video, and if you have any question or things like that, you can contact me on in the details given in the description of this video. If you have any project, you can discuss that with me, or